skin cancer symptoms. Experiencing itching and changes in skin as described above, there are 5 keys of skin cancer symptoms, called the ABCDEs, that can help you recognize skin cancer early. Doctors recommend performing regular head-to-toe checks while keeping an eye out for these 5 ABCDEs of skin tumors. 1. Asymmetry. If you draw a line through the middle of the mole or lesion on your skin, if the two halves are not symmetrical, this is a sign that the tumor may be malignant. 2. Border. Non-malignant tumors will typically have a smooth, regular border, whereas the border of an early melanoma will generally be jagged or uneven. 3. Color. A tumor of only one color is a good sign because melanomas are known for being a variety of colors, particularly shades of black, brown, and tan. They may also be blue, red and other colors. 4. Diameter. As a rule of thumb, non-malignant skin cancers are smaller than 1/4 inch in diameter. Melanomas are usually larger in diameter, so keep an eye on anything that is larger. 5. Evolving. If the tumor changes in color, elevation, size, or shape, and if any new symptom arises, bleeding, crusting, itching, etc., then it could be dangerous. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more tips.